Here are the top 10 richest people in Pakistan. Leading the pack is Shahid Khan, with a staggering net worth of $12.9 billion. He's not just the owner of the Jacksonville Jaguars and Fulham FC, but also the Flex Endgate Corporation. Next up is Anwar Pervez, boasting $472 billion thanks to his Bestway Group, which holds a significant 18% market share in the UK. Min Mohammed Mansha follows closely with $4.3 billion, driven by his Nishat Group conglomerate. Then we have Asif Ali Zardari, the former president, with $2.1 billion from his family's diverse business interests. Nawaz Sharif isn't far behind at $1.8 billion, rooted in steel manufacturing and real estate. Sadruddin Hashwani, founder of the Hashu Group, has a net worth of $1.6 billion, while Malik Riaz, known for Bahriya Town, stands at $1.4 billion. Nasir Shon, with $1.3 billion, thrives in textiles and energy, and Abdul Razak Yaqub, chairman of the ARY Group, has $1.2 billion from media. Finally, Tariq Saigal rounds out the list with $1.1 billion, thanks to his family's ventures in textiles and cement. Quite the lineup of wealth and influence. For more details, subscribe to our channel.